Hello, today in this video, I will tell you how can make AI influence for Instagram, for TikTok and for Facebook and social media. And I will use the two AI tools like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. The first step, and I will go to ChatGPT and I type prompt like this. I need prompt for Leonardo AI. I need picture of girl. So type then press enter. So here ChatGPT give me the prompt OK. So I can change perfect lighting. And I can change as long hair to short hair OK. To short hair, and actually as a story photographing and of the background if you want to change color of the background OK. So next we go to Leonardo AI. Link down the description below. So we sign by Gmail account. So we click to agree term of service. YouTube it's your name. Okay, so we let go. In here we click on image creation, so I choose image dimensions for 916. So guys, you can choose flux dev. But that is, for my experience for flux that is equal Phoenix. So we just copy from here and we put here 2 for me. So we wait just 30 seconds. Maybe not 1 minute. So as you can see it's very beautiful here okay. So very beautiful here which are very good you see. Okay, if you see this video is of value for you, please subscribe and see the next video. Thank you.